Hey guys, welcome back. It's week 3 meal prep. This week I'm making the protein to start the show. I have chicken that I'm going to do 2 ways. I bought some lemon because I'm going to make a homemade dressing. I have pita bread. I brought some greens for my salad. I bought some tzatziki sauce, but I'm going to make homemade sauce. I have some peppers to go in the salad. I have the yogurt, better cheese, and goat cheese. I'm making wings 2 ways, so I have some curry seasoning over here as well as some jerk seasoning. I have my dill, my cucumber, my red onion, and my tomatoes that I got from my co-worker Malcolm from his garden. Okay, what I've done first was clean my chicken, separated them into 2 bowls. This bowl is going to be my jerk chicken, and this bowl is going to be the curry chicken. So let's get started. This jerk seasoning has such a great flavor. So I'm gonna continue to rub this in just a little bit more. I didn't put that much. I try not to use as much salt because we're trying to cut out a lot of things. But after I massage this in, I'm gonna place this in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before I cook it. Now I'm going to do like I did the jerk wings. I'm going to massage this in. I added some of this curry powder just to give it a little bit more depth to it and color. So now I'm gonna place this in the fridge. Okay guys, I'm gonna make my tzatziki sauce. And I got this recipe from Stay at Home Chef. It seemed very simple and I thought I would try it. So first I chop 1 tablespoon of fresh dill. So we're gonna see how much I get. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Okay, that seems about a good amount, so I'm gonna place it in the bowl. Now I'm gonna take half a cucumber. And now the cucumbers go into the bowl. Now I'm going to need 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I chopped up 1 clove of garlic and I'm placing it in the bowl. Half a cup of Greek yogurt. I love Greek yogurt, it's so good. Put that in the bowl. Now I'm going to add my olive oil, which is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm just going to stir that in. So let me just taste it to see if it needs to have anything added. You guys, that's really good. Homemade tzatziki sauce. And again, I want to thank the stay-at-home chef. Okay guys, change the plans. I'm not going to use the air fryer. What I am going to do is bake the wings on a rack so the grease gets drained down. So I'm going to take the chicken and place it on the rack. And we're gonna bake this at 400 for about 30 to 40 minutes maybe. Okay, so remember what I said? I was cooking chicken 2 ways. So this is the second way. I'm going to basically saute the chicken tenders on top of the stove. And this is for my pita sandwiches throughout the week. And also you can use this to put in your salads as well. Delicious. So the chicken is done now. I did start the chicken on the higher rack. When I flipped the chicken during halfway cook time, I decided to put it on the lower rack to finish up. But they turned out nice. Those jerk wings were fabulous, you guys. Look how everything turned out, you guys. The chicken pita with the tzatziki sauce. Yummy. Can't wait to dive into that. We have a Greek salad. Thanks to my coworker Malcolm for getting me fresh tomatoes out of his garden. Thanks, Malcolm.